Welcome to the world's most advanced EV factory. This is where the future of mobility is built.
Welcome to the future of mass production, where thousands of robots work with absolute precision. Inside this spotless cleanroom, precision machines rapidly manufacture the next generation of battery cells.
The process begins by coating active materials onto thin sheets of copper or aluminum foil. These precise layers are then dried to
Are we good on this side? Ready to lock it down.
Exterior trim is secure.
initiating drive cycle. Brakes engage now. All systems passed. All systems passed.